Here we have our last unboxing. Well, I do have another fan to unbox. It's a Honeywell Turboforce fan, but I'm using the box right now, so yeah. So we have this is a Better Homes and Gardens 8-inch retro table fan in black of white. I don't have scissors, so I'm gonna have to open up the box myself. There is already some cut tape. I'm gonna have to rip the box open, sort of. Alright. I don't really need scissors at all. Let's see if it's packed up like the 12-inch model. Let me go ahead and get something on a higher level here. To show you guys how it's packed. I had to tear the box open, unfortunately. Oh, it's actually wrapped up like the 12-inch one, where you have to take 2 pieces of cardboard. Where's the owner's manual and like the red label thing? Oh, here they are. Usually these are at the top of the box. And where's the label thing? Yeah, I can get that later after the video. So here's the fan. I don't think there's any like can't tell. Let's get this fan out of the bag and then I'll go ahead and show it. Gotta untie the twist tie that holds the cord. And yes, the cord is cloth covered. Okay, I sort of kind of messed it up a bit off camera, but I was able to rip it off like that. So here it is. It's cute, as you can see. It's very cute. It's got the little rotary dial switch. But there it is. So thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.